Hey guys, Josh Carter here. I want to talk to you a little bit about taking a kid fishing. It's June, well, about to turn June anyways, and it's summer's here. So if the rain would clear out here in the Virginia area, it would be really great so we get on the rivers and stuff. But before all this rain come in, I was able to take my son out wading. The day before, actually, we got a big thunderstorm which run us off, and we weren't able to get much content. But second day, my friend Chris come out with me, and Matthew, and we just went wading, and we were just using just small light tackle. I went to Walmart, bought us two $17 combo ultra light and some grubs, and went to town. We had a good time. If we didn't catch as many fish as I'd like to, but we still ended up managing, I don't know, maybe 20-some fish. A lot of brim right now, some few smallmouth. Chris caught a pretty decent one towards the end of the video. But it's very important you get the kids out, get them out of the video games, get them out from being sitting inside in front of the TV, and get them outside. Now, granted, my son, he didn't do a lot of fishing then. He was too busy wanting to play in the river and wade around and playing with flipping rocks over and see what he could find. So, and that's fine as long as you're getting them outside and you're getting them introduced to the outdoors. So, other than that, you know, he didn't, like I say, he didn't want to fish a whole lot. He did want to release every fish that we caught, which was fine. I like teaching him a little about each fish, why they're called a smallmouth, and why they're called a perch and rockfish and all that. So, but anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you really liked it, hit the thumbs up. Leave us some comments in the bottom what you think, and also hit the subscribe button on the right hand side down there. So guys, I'll talk to you later. Y'all have a great weekend, and take a kid fishing.